and don't subscribe, you'll be devastated. So subscribe.
Hey, so it is Tuesday. Now I don't normally pick up the camera on Tuesday to kind of give myself a little bit of a break between last week's vlog and then this vlog. But my dad was saying that he's always curious what it looks like behind the scenes. So I thought if he's curious, it's possible that some of you guys are curious. Now the video I'm filming is a Q&A, so I'm pulling questions from Instagram and Facebook. So you should follow me there if you think you'd like to have a question featured sometime. And then this video is gonna be layered where I'm actually gonna do my makeup, but I'm gonna film it another day. But it'll be the same makeup because it's kind of what I'm loving right now. So this is behind the scenes. Right now I have a ring light, which you can see in the mirror. I have a big square light, and that is, they're both LED. What I like about LED is, first of all, they're super bright, so I don't want to blind you, but they're not hot. There's no heat that comes off of these. They both have like little filters on them to soften the light. I do sit still in front of the window because it's nice and bright. Yeah, here's kind of where I sit, and I have a little microphone on. I have a little mic here, and I love really silky audio, and I find it can be very echoey in my kitchen and just in general exterior noises, and this just harnesses it, and like I try to keep it in the center, and then it actually records onto my phone. There's a little app there. I'll add all of this tech stuff in my shop, in my Amazon shop, if you're just curious like what it kind of looks like to equip yourself, but you can start with a whole lot less. I did not start my YouTube channel with any of this stuff, just a camera. Anyway, I'm gonna get to it. And of course, there's always a random smoothie around somewhere, so, you know. All right. Okay, so this next question comes from Instagram, and it's from Robin Linnettle. And she was saying, what is next on the hair menu after the pixie grows? So if you've been following me on Instagram, so it's nice when you have all your lights to get a little product shot. What you gotta do. Kids running around and everything. Put your books in there. Here you go. Maybe let your sister go first. Patra is letting Esme babysit this sweet, sweet baby.
And look, we can do other things.
Oh, that's so cute, like a real baby. You love babies, hey? Yeah. Okay, let's go in there.
No, that's it.
How cool is that? So Jackie found this one. Let's check it out. Give me back my book. Hey, wait a second. Red, that's my book. I beg your pardon. Hello. I got this on camera. I got proof. It's my shopping buddy.
Ow, I hurt my eye.
Oh, geez, hurting your leg on the bar. You gotta be a little bit careful. Are you all
I
right?
want sausages.
Yeah, no kidding. You want sausages? I'll get some.
You're not a good builder.
I'm not a good builder.
Tiny blocks.
You're better at building boxes?
Yeah,
This I believe.
but you're not.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm good at other things. I'm good at snuggles. Okay, so we are back from groceries, and we did a little stop at the dollar store. Some of the remnants, I'll show you what I got here. This was, of course, just a tiny little haul. So I needed some milk and some creamer, and Jack loves milk, so we always go through milk pretty quick. And this I have really been enjoying. This is an oat drink, unsweetened, original. It's actually made in Canada and everything, and it has very little flavor to me. Like, I don't notice it that much of a difference in my smoothies. But it's nice and healthy, and it has almost the same like nutritional value as milk, so I'm excited about that. I'm thinking about making a broccoli soup, so I have some broccoli, and I got some chicken broth. Of course, stocking up on apple juice, it was on sale. Got a bunch of meat products, some Montreal smoked meat. I'm gonna make a sandwich right now because I'm hungry. Some ground beef for tacos and breakfast sausages. I'm thinking we're gonna have the roast chicken tonight, barbecue chicken. Rotisserie, that's the word. I'm gonna, what's it called, bake some vegetables. My English is gone. Can you tell when I get hungry? My brain stops working. A ham for later this week or next week. Salad, sandwich, we're out of sandwich bags. I got some little crostinis to go with this hummus. Let's watch. What did Jack get? Woo, nice. And like lunch snacks and snacks for the kids. Esme quite likes these little real fruit biscuits. I really like these big fruit bars, and so I saw those. And then of course the little ones, fruit to go. and some squash. The kids like that. Esme's a big fan of tuna. Dinner in a hurry when I need it, and grapes. Yes. Okay, you know what? I will put the pan on. Jack really likes breakfast sausages, and I find they're the nicest to cook in a cast iron pan, so I'll heat up the pan. The cleaning lady is still here, and it's so clean in here right now. It's amazing. It's my favorite thing ever. And then at the dollar store, I promised Jackie a little treat, so we got the rocket launcher. I got Esme, oh, let's see. I think, you know what the trick is? Don't put it on so far. Kind of keep it closer to the top, like that. Now try. Woo, there you go. I got Esme this little mat, what's called a whiteboard, because she's been loving to practice writing, and so I thought they could be her own. Show them your cool gloves. He loves them. They had another set on the inside to make sure the fingertips were covered, but he loved it. I got Esme a pair like Jack. As the weather gets a little warmer and cooler and all that, it's nice to have different types of gloves. Jack picked out some Play-Doh for them to share. Ooh, and this one I'm most excited about. Sometimes you find such a score at the dollar store and it's so fun. So Jack helped me pick the color, but I found these pretty. Aren't they nice? Thank you for choosing the color. There was purple ones and all sorts of different designs, but I have two plants, an aloe vera plant and another plant. I couldn't tell you what it is that I've been trying to keep alive, and they need some proper pots to go in. Oh dear. And they were $3. $3. All right, I'm gonna make some lunch and get to my to-do list. I have so much to do right now, but Dean's at work and it's just like I can't with Jack and the cleaning lady here, so I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet. And I called Patra. I'm calling reinforcements. She's coming over at around 5 to help me out. I shall feed her and then she'll help me. Oh, Lord, Lord, Lord. Oh. Well, the kids have finally gone to bed. It took a while tonight and they started late. Oof, anyway, I've got a little bit of a chill. The temperature dropped outside and it's snowing a little bit, very daintily falling from the sky. Normally I would go straight downstairs and start working because I do have some things I need to do, but I'm feeling a little bit like procrastinating, so I'm gonna procrastinate properly and I'm gonna make some overnight oats for myself for breakfast. I have a yoga class tomorrow evening and I'm excited, and I kind of want to like start the day off right with like eating the right food. Yeah, my dishwasher is done, it's dry, so I'm going to also make Esme's lunch, and her lunch box is in there. So I'll make her lunch, get my breakfast started, and then I will go downstairs and start working because I've got a couple hours of work ahead of me and it kind of hurts my feelings a little bit. I just love the light in my kitchen in the morning. My favorite thing. Coffee's brewing and I'm making these things, which are not healthy, but they're a special treat. Some raspberry flaky turnovers. So let's get those going. Making a smoothie to go with their rather sugary sweet breakfast, but at least they'll get some vegetables and fruit. I'm going to start with my overnight oats. Sun's shining there because I know if I could eat like 4 of those turnovers. So start with that. Fill the belly first. Hi. So I was just sitting down to a cup of coffee and Esme brought this over because she does lots of art and she says to Mom,
hey, I'm being crazy today.
Are you? That is true.
And I made my mommy something. And I have short hair.
You do have short hair. It looks wonderful. So Esme stayed home from school today because we were I felt that everybody was very I can't even do this, Jack, you're too big, was very overtired and needed a little rest. So we've just been chilling around the house. So Esme made me something. Okay, this is for Mom. I'll just save the best for last, right? This one says,
love.
And a little thief just stole the best one for last. Jackie! Here we go.
Jack the thief! Come back, you little crazy monkey!
This one says,
hey, that's mine!
I love, or just love you? Love you. Love you. And this one says, Mom, do you... What a little bugger. You can tell he just wants attention. It says, Mom, do you love me? I love you a lot. Oh, when she asked me which color elastic was my favorite, and I said the pink one.
Let's see what this is.
Can you read?
Yeah.
Okay, Jackie, what does it say?
I don't love you, Esme.
It says, I love you, Mom. The last one says, play with me. You want me to play with you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want you to play with me.
Okay, let's see what the last one says.
Are you excited?
For sure, I'm excited.
It's big.
It's huge. It's a scroll. And what does it say? I love you, Mom. Look at that beautiful stuff. Thank you, my dear.
I love her.
Yeah,
I love her too.
You do?
Subscribe. If you don't subscribe, Mom will be devastated. So subscribe.
It snowed like crazy. You can see those pretty little snowflakes falling. Yeah. My dad is on his way over. I'm gonna just kind of freshen up my face. I'm gonna be doing my Bare Minerals kind of new makeup regime. If you missed my video about the makeup, you can click up here and go watch what I'm using these days. But I just find it just freshens up. This is before and there's after. Just look a little fresh, a little bit of bronzer. There we go.
Christmas.
Grandpa's here. Hi, Grandpa.
Hey, how you doing? Learning about beasts.
Yes, Grandpa likes to bring nice books when he comes. So today it's all about beasts.
Like Grandpa.
I know you do. Grandpa got them these little mugs. Get an E for some girl in this house. I don't really know what her name is.
It's me.
Hair flip. And Jackie got this one. How cute is that little mug? Speaking of mugs, I've got a mug on the go here for some coffee. My only complaint about this awesome little coffee machine is you can see it kind of like splashes coffee around here as it's splashing on the cup a bit. Anyway, it's my only complaint. Otherwise, still really like it.
Beavers, you should know that a beaver marks its territory with a thick slime
Ew, no.
that smells like vanilla.
What? Well, it's chaos right now. I'm finishing up the laundry. I'm having a sip of wine. I ended up ordering pizza. I wasn't planning on it, but everybody just got really tired this afternoon. We actually had plans to go to this museum. We skipped it. It's been steadily snowing all day, and everyone's kind of feeling like we just want to be inside. So it's quite early. It's only 4:20. We've already had dinner, and I think Dad will probably stay for another hour or so. And then we'll send him home, and we'll start, the bedtime process. And my goal is to try to get the kids to bed earlier tonight. Like, I try to get them in bed by 8, but tonight I think I'm going to start them at like 6:45, get in the tub, and just see if I can get them asleep by 7:30. We'll see. And then tomorrow I've got a lot to do. It's like Mondays are usually my big work day. So I do like my emails. Actually, I'm going to my workout class at noon, and both kids are in school. So the mornings are always a little bit hard to get everyone up and out the door with like smiles, because it's hard when you're little. But yeah, I'm just finishing up the laundry and just kind of letting the kids play with Grandpa without me there. Because I think it's important that kids have relationships without like Mom always being there. So I'm just kind of meandering around the house doing other things. Fresh load of laundry. Got one kid in the tub. The other one's almost going to be getting in the tub. So I'm going to fold this and put it away before I put them to bed. Because that is satisfaction on a Sunday night. Tonight's overnight oats are actually an apple cinnamon recipe. This is what they look like, apple cinnamon overnight oats. If I can remember, I will pin it or I will link it below. But basically it's like same old, similar ingredients, except in the morning you add chopped apple to it. So I love cinnamon, so this is gonna be a good one, I think. Hey guys, happy Monday. I have had a fantastic Monday so far. Busy. Kids off at their various schools. I picked up the groceries. That was a win. If you follow me on Insta stories, you already know. And I went to my workout class. Well, I worked a bit. Went to my workout class. I even shoveled. Like, I tell you, when you put your mind to something, you can just do it. You just have to do it and get over yourself, Like, get over that negativity in your head and just get her done. And now I'm sitting down to some lunch. I made this smoothie. This has been on rotation now for a couple of days. It's the oat milk with some walnuts, pitted dates, a little bit of vanilla, cinnamon, ice cubes. It's really quite nice. Not very filling, but tastes really good. And I have a pastrami sandwich with some carrots and some hummus. And that is what is on the menu right now. And I've worked up an appetite. That was a really good class. It's very like core strength, hip opening, lots of squats. I really liked it. And it's 1 o'clock. I'm going to chow down and then get some more work done. Hopefully get today's video up. And that's it. So I'm starving. I gotta run. I'm gonna wrap it up here. I hope you guys have had a great week. Or I should say great, yeah, it's Wednesday. Great start to the week. And subscribe if you're new and come back on Friday. I'll have a new video. Bye guys.